Halo. Pull. Oh. Ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Thank you so much for watching today's presentation. Before I begin, I would like to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Haikal Raditya and I am in the 11th grade at Cibitung 1 Vocational High School. Today, I'm going to talk about digital student saving website. Background. If you look at this slide, we can see that many schools still use manual notebooks no record student saving. This often causes problems like missing records, unclear balance, and calculation error. Because of this issues, a modern digital system is needed to make everything safer and more organized. I now like to move on the next slide. Purpose. If you look at this slide, we can see that the purpose of this website is to help students monitor their saving. It teaches students how to manage money and support school in keeping their data storage. That I'd now like to move on to the next slide. Solution. If you look at this slide, we can see that the solution is a complete digital saving platform. Students can log in, view their balance at saving, withdraw money, and see their transaction history. This makes the process faster and greatly reduces error. I'd now like to move on to the next slide. First, we have the login specs. Students enter their username and password to access their account. This keeps the system secure and ensure that only registered user can open their saving. Next is the register page used by new students to create an account. They fill in their full name, username, password, confirm password, class, and school name. This makes new user registration simple and safe. Then we have the dashboard. The main page after login. It shows the user balance and provides quick access to all menus. It helps students understand their saving status instantly. The next feature is credit user. When students add money to their saving, a deposit is saved in the system, so the balance is updated accurately. After that, we have debit used when student withdraw money. These features organize withdrawal record clearly and corrects the mistakes that often happen in manual system. Next is the history page, which show all past transaction, both credit and debit. Students can check activity analog with the date, making it easier to track their money. Finally, we have the profile page. Student can update their personal information such as name, class or school. This keeps user data correct and up to date. All these features work together to make the saving system simple, organized, and efficient for both student and school. I'd now like to move on to the next slide. Development process. If you look at this slide, we can see that the development process includes identifying problem in the manual system, creating a user-friendly design, building its feature, connecting it to database, and testing everything to ensure it works properly. I'd now like to move on to the next slide. Benefits. If you look at this slide, we can see that this system provides many benefits. Students can check their saving anytime. Teachers no longer need to manage money. Notebooks data becomes safer, more organized, and easier to track. I'd now like to move on to the next slide. Thank you for attention.